in the last few years, I've started to value longer tenures at jobs. What I found is that earlier in my career, I wanted to go into lots of different organizations, see lots of different tech stacks, come across lots of different applications of analytics, many different business problems, organizations of multiple maturities, to try to get a sense of what's out there in the world and the different applications and use cases. And for that reason, I spent about the first 12 years of my career in consulting, and arguably too long, but I felt like that allowed me to see lots of different organizations and different use cases, which is what I wanted at the time. But then in the last maybe 9 years or so, I started to value longer tenures, because I started to see that you can do the best, tech architecture, have the best technology, you can have the best algorithms or even the best data, but if you're not able to create change in the organization, then the value isn't captured. So that change in the organization is critical. And for that, I've found that I've really had to work on building relationships, work on understanding people, understand their motivations and the drivers, get the relationships, so I know what their goals are and how analytics can support that. And it's something that needs more cooking time, developing those relationships and having the organizational knowledge as well of what's worked in the past, why are we here right now. That helps create the context of what's going to happen in the future. And building the organizational knowledge can only be done with time. More experienced people can do it quicker, definitely, but to be able to have a big impact that requires time in the seat of spending time in an organization to understand its context and the internal quirks and the history, as well as the relationships at the exec layer and how to navigate those for maximum analytical effectiveness. So it's something that I've started to consider more and more over time. I wanted to share because I know that a lot of people they want to focus on new tech and more problems. I think it's valuable, but I've definitely seen the opposite of when people spend the first 12 or the first 15 years of their career in one organization, and the depth of knowledge that they get is phenomenal. If they're working hard to stay up to date with the knowledge, then the effect that they can have in an organization is tremendous. So I hope that this helps. Share this video with somebody that would get value from it. Please follow and subscribe to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.